Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I actually did a sit down like makeup tutorial, and I came up with this beautiful look which you could wear on the Valentine's Day. Added just some glitter to it because I was feeling like I need to be a little extra. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Marisa. I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe to my channel down below. Turn your notifications to be notified when I post more videos and videos like this. And if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. I already primed my eyelids. I've been doing this new thing that works for so many people, and it's not even setting your eyelids with translucent powder, and I'm telling you, it is amazing because like the vibrancy of the shadows that is there just from not setting it is just like amazing. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty textured shadows palette. This is a rose gold edition. I do have the Desert Dusk one. I just haven't used that one yet. That's gonna be in probably trying out a new products video, first impressions, like coming up soon. But yeah, I'm going into this palette just because I liked the reddish tones here, and I think that is very Valentine's-like, so that's why I chose this palette to work with first. Shade here, Sandalwood, is my transition shade. I'm just gonna make sure that it is pretty vibrant up here and like high up. Shade I'm gonna be going in with is the shade Shy. It's like a light dusty rose color, and I'm just gonna apply that a little bit below the Sandalwood shade. Next, I'm going into the Morphe M433. I'm going to go into this beautiful shade called Man Eater, which is like a burgundy-ish red. I'm kind of going to just pack it in the crease and build it up until it's around this kind of color. Shade I'm going to go into this shade here, Bossy, and I'm going to do kind of the same thing, just right below where I put that red and on the outer V, just to darken it up. Going to cut the crease, and I'm using the Kat Von D Locking Concealer. This is in the shade Light number 18. And going into the Morphe M508. I'm just going to cut a half crease. I'm going into these beautiful Colourpop eyeshadows. This palette is called Golden State of Mind. There are 15 beautiful, super pigmented shades here. I love them so much. Going into the shade right here, which is called Golden Egg, and that's what I'm going to be using. Beauty palette, and I'm gonna go back into the shade Mad Eater and Shy, and I'm just gonna go on the outer corner here, kind of just blending that in so it's kind of like an ombre effect. And then I'm also going to go back into the shade Bossy here, and I'm also going to go into the outer V. I'm going to just do winged eyeliner, and I'm using the Wicked Gel Liner by Sigma. So I'm going to just do this off camera because I know I'm going to screw it up if I do it on camera. Just did my eyeliner. I think it looks pretty good. It's not identical to that one, but what can you do? Definitely one of my favorites is lashes. The lashes I am wearing on this eye are called the Lillylashes Miami. You've heard this. You've probably seen these a million times. They are super expensive, but I love them so much. The look it gives my eye, and also they are so good because you can wear them so many times. I've worn these so many times. They look like in perfect condition. Yeah, I'm gonna just put these on. What kind of video would you like to see me do next? I know a lot of people are saying makeup collection. Like I said, I'm in the middle of it. I still have to declutter quite a few things. I don't know if you guys want like a vlog style video of me like decluttering some stuff, and then I'll do like a full makeup collection. So if you want to see like a video of me picking out things to declutter, let me know. I will definitely do that. Just let me know if you want that. If you want like a declutter first of like a vlog style declutter, and then a separate video for a makeup collection. I got you boost back into the Huda Beauty palettes, and I'm gonna go back into the shade Man Eater and Sandalwood. So I'm just gonna apply Man Eater first. Use Sandalwood. I'm just gonna apply some bottom lash mascara. I'm just gonna add the glitter into the inner corners, and the glitter I have is Blushes Pink from Bulk Glitters. Are $1. If you want me to do a video on all the glitters I have from Bulk Glitters, just let me know. I'll do swatches, I'll do a whole review on everything. You know, just gotta request it. I use the NYX Glitter Primer. The CandyK lip pencil. I'm still not sure if I want glossy lip or matte lip, so let me see. Hey guys, so and this is my finished look. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. It would mean the world to me. And please don't forget to comment down below any video ideas, suggestions, if you want the makeup collection and or makeup declutter thing. Comment it down below. And thank you guys all for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.